Hey folks, why haven't you subscribed yet? Tell them, Lily. Hey folks, so today's video is going to be an announcement video. I've done a few of those lately. They're kind of cop-outs, but this one's rather important. Kind of. So basically, I love science, as I'm sure everyone has gathered. But at the same time, I do have other interests. I'd wanted to bring in some of those interests into this channel, but the way YouTube works, the algorithms and things, they want you to pretty much stay on a narrow topic so the algorithm can pick up your videos and send it to other people, and that's how you grow. One of the ways you grow. The easiest way at the moment, because my views are still kind of low in comparison and that kind of thing, was if you all wouldn't mind sharing the videos. Or interacting with it some way or another. That being said, you don't have to. It's just, if you do, I appreciate it. This video, like I said, is an announcement. I'm going to start a second channel to cover some of my other interests. The interest that I wanted to bring in on this channel. So, the name of this channel is going to be Deinosuchus Gaming. Now, what I'm going to be covering is the general nerdy stuff in association with gaming. One of my biggest pastimes when it's not gaming is Magic the Gathering. I love playing Magic the Gathering with my friends. I have somewhere around 15 Commander decks and 3 Modern. They're not competitive. I'm not a competitive player on anything. I just like having fun, and that's the easiest way for me to have fun, is to not be competitive. So I will be covering Magic the Gathering. I'll be doing pack openings if I get the money to buy some packs and that kind of thing. I'm also wanting to do things like D&D. Now, I've only done D&D one time, then I was the Dungeon Master. It was a lot of fun, but for my first time playing, to be the Dungeon Master, that was a lot to take in. That being said, I do hope to cover D&D on that, maybe get some gameplay. I know I want to do some gameplay of Magic. I'll also be doing reviews on things like deck boxes for Magic. I'll give my thoughts on those deck boxes. Card sleeves and other products that may come along. I like miniatures. This is a Venom Troll, a D&D miniature from WizKids. I have a few of these different miniatures. This one is the pre-painted mini line that you buy a box, and it's kind of like a grab bag. You buy a box and it's got 5 minis, 4 regulars and 1 rare mini. I'll cover those. I'll buy a box when I can and open those. I really enjoy that. I also want to do Frostgrave. Frostgrave is something I've been looking to get into. This is a tabletop game. It is a miniatures game. This is a Frostgrave mini, but you can use any mini. This one's not painted. I will be painting that. And you can play this either with another player or by yourself. So I want to do that. I also want to cover one of the other big games that I play is Warhammer 40,000. I would like to do some battle reports on that if I get a chance to play. Warhammer is a very long game. That would take a while to edit. So, with all this being said, I'm not shutting my other channel. I'm not shutting this channel down. I'm just having another one. I'm not for sure how I want to do the videos. I don't know if I want to do 2 videos a week on the main channel or on this channel, and then one on the gaming channel, or if I just want to do one on the gaming channel per week and one on this channel per week. I'll get that figured out. I have the channel made. I will be releasing a video for it most likely this weekend. And I'm got a couple ideas. That video will most likely be an introduction video. I will share it on the social media, the Facebook and stuff, the social media for Facebook and all the others. So this one, like I said, is out of the ordinary, but this is an announcement for the second channel that I want to do. Hopefully I can get some of my friends to at least play. They not necessarily have to be on the channel itself, but just record a game with them or something, and yeah. So I'm hoping to get this channel and that channel to grow, and I just look to have some fun with it. It helps me get through things, making these videos and sharing things that I'm passionate for. Keeping a passion to yourself is just not right. So if you know anyone who enjoys gaming, there's a pretty good possibility I can even do board games, that kind of thing. I would do video games. I do play some with video games. That can cause a problem with me having seizures. I don't play video games very rarely now because of the seizures. There are a lot of games I really love, and I would like to, if I could, I would stream, but I don't want to exacerbate my condition. Hopefully one day I'll get to be on my friend. My friend has there's a group channel my friend is on. It's called a Galactic Perspective. If you enjoy gaming or any of that kind of thing, check that out. I may be a guest on there here pretty soon, when I can. Me and him have been talking. Thanks, Levi Bizarro. And I do hope everyone has a great day. This is like I said, a different video, and if you think anyone that you know likes gaming or that kind of thing, once the channel gets going, share my content, and you all have a great day.